As you walk, just feel your awareness coming into your body. Feel the feet as they tap onto the ground. Trying to feel each motion of the foot. Which part of the foot hits the ground first? How does each part feel? Feeling each moment of contact with your awareness as your body connects with the earth beneath. Notice your arms and hands. Are they determined or are they relaxed? Your body is only a mirror of your state of mind, taking the time to notice what state you'd like to be in. And so allow the body to make the changes your mind requires in this moment. If you don't know what changes you'd like, that's fine. Just allow yourself to observe the motion and stance of your body. There is no wrong and there is no right. Just surrender to the freedom of this. Taking some deep breaths in, and as you exhale, just really let the body go. Sighing out. In and out. Your sense of self-worth is brimming at the top. You are completely you. Free to own and run with your own thoughts. Wild, untamed. Take vulnerability and allow it to feed your very essence. Take a gentle breath in through the nose. Exhale and release.